30 categories. I was waiting for that little message.
Sorry about that.
So our categories include turf, tracks, and courts, instructional and school supplies, maintenance and custodial products, cybersecurity solutions, and much more. And every year we add additional categories. Our monthly webinar series is designed to provide timely, informative content to our customers while also increasing awareness of AEPA and the high-quality solutions offered by our vendor partners. In today's session, you'll hear from Madison Kinney and Jen Snelson with DEX Imaging, who will talk to us about how to streamline, digitize, and transform modern workflow solutions for K-12 and public agencies. We'll leave time for questions at the end, so please feel free to submit yours via the chat at any time. And as you just heard, this session is being recorded, and we will post it to the AEPA website for those who want to revisit it later and share with any of their colleagues. So now I'll pass it over to Madison and Jen.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Hi, everyone. My name is Madison Kinney, and I'm here with my teammate, Jen Snelson, and together we work for DEX Imaging, specifically with education customers like yourself, K through 12, government agencies, and nonprofits through our partnership with AEPA. We're excited to walk you through what we can do for you here at DEX Imaging, including streamlining your operations, saving money, and modernizing how you do work. A little bit about us. DEX Imaging was founded in 2002 and has been serving, public institutions for over two decades. We are found with one intentional purpose, and to be a service-driven, service-first, community-driven alternative to the big box brand copiers. We leverage our data-driven approach to design customized solutions that adopt your organization's evolving needs over the years. This program was launched in response to our global impact of 2019, enabling our customers to transition seamlessly through remote work and hybrid schedules. We are vendor agnostic, which means we don't push any specific manufacturer. Our goal is to help your entity run more efficiently and walk hand in hand. With that being said, one of the pillars of our company is to be community driven. We give back 1/3 of our profits to educational institutions and local charities such as yourself. This has been an ongoing initiative from the beginning. We also provide 1/3 of our profits back to our non-commissioned employees to make sure that they're providing the best service throughout the term of their contract with you guys. And with that, I will turn it over to Jen. She'll go through.
Hello, everyone. So I'm going to explain what DEX MPS is and how we can partner with you and help manage your print and copier, not only the equipment, but also the workflows and what flows to the copiers, through the copiers, and even in your current software on your computers. So what is Managed Print Services? DEX Imaging is a managed print organization that provides a comprehensive solution for managing print environments. DEX offers multiple programs and options for clients, including traditional purchase, lease, equipment rentals, and walk-in takeover. Just a side note, walk-in takeover means we come in, we don't sell any equipment. We just look at your current equipment and we can service that, from desktop printers all the way up to your large copiers that are freestanding. The walk-in takeover program is our client-owned environment. In this program, you retain all ownership of your current print infrastructure, and we will supply service, support, and automatic supply replenishment. One of the most notable programs is the Platinum program. This is a strategic takeover of your environment. This program allows for a flexible and adjustable system that accommodates your needs at both contract inception and continuously throughout the life of the agreement. This also includes a rental program, so you don't have to actually do any purchase of equipment. You can rent the equipment with volume included. And as your needs change, as we all know with COVID, how print environments completely changed during that time, we're able to work with you through that so that you're not stuck in a long-term contract. This provides an all-encompassing solution to allow flexibility while monitoring your spend and your usage at the devices. It reduces the IT burden through device and driver consistency, as well as DEX's help desk support. This does help with changes as your organization changes, superior utilization of assets resulting in more effective printing infrastructure. There's one point of contact for your service, supplies, and billing, while also having an account manager that will help make sure that your account is taken care of and managed throughout the whole term of your agreement. And this will seamlessly integrate with the IT infrastructure and work with your IT team that you already have. DEX has a partnership with HP. We are the largest independent dealer in the nation, and we work closely with HP to have a strategic partnership to enhance the delivery of innovative printing and imaging solutions. This collaboration leverages HP's cutting-edge technology and security and DEX Imaging expertise in managed print services. The key aspects include our enhanced product offering. DEX Imaging provides a wide range of HP's high-performance printers, multifunction devices, and imaging solutions to meet diverse business needs. The advanced security, combining HP's robust security features with DEX Imaging's managed services, ensures that customers benefit from comprehensive protection against cyber threats. We also have some sustainability initiatives. We're both committed to promoting sustainability through initiatives such as reducing paper waste and energy consumption with HP's eco-friendly products and DEX's efficient service models. We also offer customer support and service. The partnership provides customers with exceptional support and maintenance services, leveraging DEX's strong service network and HP's reliable products. All of our technicians are HP certified technicians, which means they've been trained on how to not only fix the devices, but diagnose them as well. And so as we get into the software side and how DEX can help with your modern document workflow, it's called Dexterity. So it's going to deal with all different parts of how a document flows through your system. The modern document workflow is not just scan, email, and print. It's a fully connected, automated ecosystem designed to move information from creation to storage to action with minimal human friction while meeting compliance and security requirements. So our Dexterity includes Ingress, which is capturing and importing documents from any source. So that's whether you're getting those from fax, email, snail mail, however you're getting those documents, that's the piece that we're calling Ingress and how you're putting those documents into your system. The process is automating your workflows and integrating with any of your systems that you currently have. So how do we get those documents into the system with minimal human data entry, where we can really minimize the time of when a document is created or received to when you can actually get it flowing through the process. Egress is delivering output securely to the right endpoint, and then protecting, ensuring compliance, encryption, and identity control, as well as dealing with the document lifecycle. I know that y'all have to keep your documents for a specific amount of time, and then you're able to get rid of those documents. And sorry about that. It actually works with the document lifecycle, so it will automatically give you an alert that says these documents are ready for deletion, and then you can go through those documents and decide if they're ready or if they need to be maintained longer. So let's talk about the ingress process. So this is document creation or receipt. The documents, digital PDFs, Word files, spreadsheets, scanned images, or physical originals are generated internally or received from vendors, customers, or partners. Collection and classification, those documents are gathered from the physical inboxes or digital repositories. We're going to capture those and do the entry. So right now, you probably have manual. A user keys the data into the system, screens it from the document. We also have semi-automated. That's optimal character recognition and intelligent document processing, extracts data and populates those fields for review. We even have fully automated that will be API or middleware, pushes validated document data directly into ERP. And it's important to note that the OCR has gotten so good now that it's even recognizing handwriting. So if you have handwritten forms, if you're still taking in the handwritten forms when you are bringing new students in, you can actually use this to put that into the system as well. And then archiving and storage, digital, indexed, and stored in a document management system or an ERP archive. For the process, we're able to do predefined rules. This routes documents automatically based on type, content, and metadata. The workflow triggers approvals, escalations, or tests fire automatically when criteria are met. There's integrated communication. So approvers get notifications via Teams, Slack, and email with embedded document previews. The ERP, EMR, and the CRM sync. So whatever process, whatever software you currently use, we can sync to that with this software. The data flows bidirectionally, so the right information is available where it's needed, and it's not available where it's not needed. API and RPA connectors, this automate data entry, cross-platform updates, and repetitive tasks. So cloud and hybrid flexibility works across on-prem, cloud, and mobile environments. This really helps for your admin team that may be visiting different schools, or if you have some traveling teachers, this is really where they're going to be able to have a seamless process where they can, it's almost like a seamless environment, no matter how many buildings you have. And then we go to the process, the egress, sorry. We have the document security, ensure that the chain of custody is maintained and sensitive information is always secure. We have the automated routing, integration with the ERP to appropriately route documents to their proper destination. Analytics tracks the process, bottlenecks, approvals, delays, and compliance exceptions. And then we have the automated workflows, complex job routing and scripting to create statutory compliance and improve processing efficiency. We have really made this piece easy to set up for the users. We have a team that helps as well. However, it is kind of like a follow the bouncing ball in how you want to get it set up to make sure that the process that you have that's manual now, you can automate one time and then it will continue working for you. And then protection. That's a big part, especially with FERPA. So we have document encryption, safeguard data at rest and in motion to maintain information security. We have device hardening, create and establish standards across the enterprise to remove gaps and create a more secure platform. Identity and access control, multiple IDP integration to validate user roles and sensitivity levels. Security and compliance. We support HIPAA, FERPA, SOC 2, and GDPR compliance standards. And we've also recently gotten the FedRAMP authorization. So we've reached the highest level of security that the federal government has for guidelines as well. So our Dexterity Cloud tools, this is where the magic happens. We have Cloud Fax. And so the Dexterity Cloud Fax modernizes faxes by sending and receiving documents over the internet right from your desktop or MFP. It automates the document extraction and classification into ERP systems to accelerate workflows, reduce cost, strengthen security, and support today's hybrid workforce. Then we have your cloud print. Dexterity Cloud Print simplifies printing by enabling secure, reliable output from any device to any printer without print servers. It reduces IT burden, cuts cost, and supports mobile and remote work. Designed for the enterprise, it also manages output from complex ERP workflows, ensuring critical documents are delivered where and when they're needed. This is big for those traveling teachers. It helps with the print servers not needing to be on site anymore. And the way it's set up is your print actually does stay on site. It doesn't go up to the cloud and then come back. I know before, if you would cloud print, there would be a long delay where you hit print and then there's a long waiting time. So if you're still dealing with that, we can help where once you hit print, it's actually printing for you. And then Dexterity Automation. Dexterity Automation intelligently captures, classifies, and extracts data from invoices, forms, and other business documents. It eliminates manual entry, speeds up workflows, and seamlessly integrates with ERP systems, turning complex document-heavy processes into streamlined digital operations. This is where, as we meet with you and do an assessment and really learn what your 2026 initiatives are, where your specific school board is wanting to go, this is where we'll be able to formulate a true solution that's tailored for your environment. We don't push one product or service. We really get to know where your school wants to go in the next year, 3 years, 5 years, and then we help build a solution that's tailored to you. And then the next iteration is artificial intelligence. I have been to a few different conferences where artificial intelligence is a big focus for schools and for the next generation. So the biggest influence on this space is going to be artificial intelligence. AI is set to significantly change the way documents are created, managed, and analyzed. The automation of tasks like data extraction, classification, content analysis, routing, and delivery. These changes will allow for faster processing, improved accuracy, and deeper insights from even complex documents, transforming them into more dynamic and interactive data sources while reducing manual effort involved. This really is, we're in the artificial intelligence world. As the schools really dive into it and start to embrace it, we would love to be your partner in helping utilize artificial intelligence for your day-to-day workflows. The next slide is DEX and education. We do take a holistic approach in education. We address the diverse needs of academic institutions through leveraging innovative software solutions to improve operational efficiency of universities and schools. DEX's control of the fleets and Compass mailing systems, print rooms, and faculty and student printing has not only streamlined processes, but also cultivated a culture of efficiency and technological advancement. The holistic approach that we have carries significant cultural impact, fostering a professional and forward-thinking environment within academic institutions. DEX is not merely enhancing operations. We strive to enable institutions to embrace innovation and elevate the overall learning experiences. Below, you can see some of the schools that we already work with. We used more of the university level. So Michigan State, St. Thomas, UCF, Alabama Crimson. These are just a few of the schools and governments that we work with. The next slide goes even deeper into some of the other companies that we've partnered with that work with DEX. Can you go to the next slide, Madison? So we work with healthcare, government, and we work in the private sector space. So The next slide is our contact information. And if anyone is interested in working more closely with us or getting to know more information about what we're able to do or offer your district or your government, just give us a call. And then now we can open it up for questions.
Okay, I did have a couple of questions pop up.
Okay.
What happens to digital records during an audit or in a FERPA request?
Okay, you're actually, whenever you have an auditor come in, you're actually able to give them the permissions in your system to see the documents that they're requesting. So you don't have a long preparation for getting your audit ready. You can just open up the documents that they need to see, and they won't be able to see anything else with the permissions.
Can we show savings or echo impact by department or by school? And if so, how would one go about doing that?
Yes, that is going to be in our DEX NPS analytics. As we set you up, we'll have each department, each school set up under a parent account. And then as we go through, you'll actually be able to log into your own customer portal, and then you'll be able to see all of your savings there.
A final question. Can these automation tools be integrated with our current student information system or HR platform?
Yes, we will work with your team, and our team will build a solution for you that works seamlessly with your whatever software you have currently.
Okay. So I want to thank you, Madison and Jen, for your time and expertise. And thank you to everyone who joined us today. We're going to be able to give you a little bit more of your day back. If you have any follow-up questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your AEPA state representative or Jen or Madison. If you do want to reach your state, you can find their contact information on our website at www.aepacoop.org and then go to the contact section. Our next webinar will be held on February 18th and will feature Hubert, which is AEPA's kitchen equipment and smallwares vendor partner. So we'll hope you join us for that session and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Have a good day.
All right. Bye.